Plenty of water and air, ideal conditions for rusting. But not with the metal they are looking for. Gold, one of the few metals found in its natural, shining state. Most metals are found as oxides or sulfides that are dug out of the earth as lumps of ore. Pentlandite, a nickel ore. Chromite, a chromium ore. Molybdenite, a molybdenum ore. And hematite, an iron ore. The metal is separated from the oxygen or sulfur by an ore refining process. Unfortunately, iron will try to recombine with oxygen. The iron atoms at the surface join oxygen atoms in the air to form iron oxide. This reaction occurs slowly at room temperature, but as you can see, the oxide film forms quite fast at higher temperatures. Oxide formation at room temperature is speeded up if the iron is wet. The iron ions formed are very mobile in water. They combine with hydroxyl ions formed by a reaction between oxygen and water to produce hydrated iron oxide. However, this doesn't protect the surface and corrosion continues. Stainless steel also forms an oxide, but the steel contains enough chromium to form a chromium-rich oxide called a passive film. This not only adheres tightly to the surface, but also acts as a barrier to ion movement. Consequently, it becomes very difficult for oxygen and iron ions to meet. So further oxide formation is prevented, and these steels resist corrosion. What's more, if the passive film is accidentally removed, the exposed surface forms a new film and the protection is restored. It forms quickly at first in air, but then takes a little time to develop fully. The development is much faster in a more oxidizing environment, and components are often passivated before service by dipping them in nitric acid in order to accelerate the film's development. Throughout the world, stainless steel makers have tested the effect of many sorts of acids and chemicals on different types of stainless steels. Similar research work has also been done with the naturally occurring acids found in different sorts of food and drink. All this information is available to help designers select the right type of stainless steel for their application.